Okay, now I'm going to put on the sashing on these blocks back here, in between each one and on the ends. Okay, we're going to put one on this side, one on the other side. It should have went that way. This is going to be a little short. Huh. That's strange. By like a good inch. And I trim these all. So apparently, oh, this one goes this way. Yeah, way short. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to open this up, and then I'll take the next one and put it on, and then stitch it down. So we'll just be trimming this all up before we sew it together. All I know. Well, this one on this side is just about the same side. No, it's off too. That's no big deal because they will be. But I'm going to measure. Well, they measure what it says, so maybe I forgot to trim my blocks. Who knows? Okay, so I am going to go ahead and do the rest of this off camera. But there they are together. And then I'll press them all. And then at the end, I will trim them all to match. Okay, I have the top all done. And the bottom's not even, but I will trim that all up when I'm done. So I make sure the top and bottom both match. The reason why it's off, it's not the pattern. I forgot to trim the blocks to 19 inches. So I'll do that later. So I'm going to do the rest of the panels off screen, trim, and then I'll bring you back for putting it together. Okay, I have my top pieces done, top and bottom. Now I'm going to take the flag part and an O. And I'm going to sew one on this side and one on the other side. Okay, I'm just going to line this up, sew it on both sides. That might be a little crooked. Now, of course, we're going to press that over the iron. Now I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, up here, and sew it on. Come on, flag, get out of the way. Okay, open that up. So I'm going to give this a good press, and then I'm going to take my top and bottom and sew it to the top and bottom of this. Okay, now I have my flag piece. Now I'm going to sew the top to my flag piece, and I want it this way because I want the blue at the top. So I'm going to line this up, pin it, and then go to the other side and do the same. All right, this is lined up. And I'm just going to put my needle down and start sewing. And line it up as I go. It looks like I didn't cut off that little piece over there, so that's fine. I'm not looking for perfection. I'm looking to finish and have it look good. The goal is to do the best you can and have fun while you're doing it. Otherwise, it's just another job. And if you're looking for someone to teach you how to quilt, So Blessed by Jess is a good one, and So Becca. Both excellent teachers. Look at there, just enough. Well, almost just enough. That's what they make trimming for. Okay, so that one's on. So here's the quilt with the flag on. And now I'm going to put the other piece, like this top piece, down at the bottom of the other one. I'm not going to film that. I'll just show it all together. All right, I have everything on here. Here's the top. Here's the bottom. Now, I will put this on my big table and square it all up and iron it before I move on to the borders. So, next video will be the borders. So be yourself. You don't have to be perfect. Just do the best you can and have a great day.